So I'm plotting the x-intercepts. Oops. Question so far? All right, where does the parabola cross the x-axis? Well, it crosses it right here, -1 and -3. -1, -3, nice. Okay. That's the x-intercepts. Now the second mission is to find the vertex, right? The vertex is the highest point or the lowest point. Since this is going to open up, A is positive, it's going to be the lowest point, the vertex. So vertex time. Again, you should do this in your sleep. Vertex formula is -b/2a is your x coordinate, and then whatever your y coordinate is, right? You're the man. Negative b really means -1 times b. b is 4/2 times 1. -1 times 4 is -4/2. -4 divided by 2 is -2. We're rocking and rolling. Let's find the y now. Let's plug that x coordinate back into the equation. The equation is right here. Y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. Right here on top. So here we go. Y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. It's -1, huh? Let's try it. So -2 squared plus 4 times -2 plus 3. Nice. 4 plus -8 plus 3, huh? -4 plus 3, -1. You guys are awesome. Here's our vertex. Plot that with me. There's our vertex, -2, -1. -2, -1 is right there. There's our vertex. Sure. Absolutely. Well, last thing. I think I asked for one more item. Can anybody read that? What was the last item I asked for? The y what? Where does the parabola cross the y-axis? What's the secret? Remember I gave you a secret like 2 days ago?
It's always 0, right?
Shh. It's a secret.
It's always C, right?
What is it? It's always C. What's my C value? 3. There it is. It crosses the y-axis right there. Let's draw a parabola. Coming down, vertex coming up. We're rocking and rolling. So the y-intercept, so let me write down here, just for those of you who are like lost. The y-intercept, right, is always, one more time, Gonzalez, C. Whatever C is, that's your y-intercept. Those 3, so I plotted, it crosses the y-axis at 3. The x-intercepts are right here in blue, y-intercepts in red, vertex is in red. We're rocking and rolling. You don't like rock and roll? Let's do one more thing. What's the axis of symmetry? The samurai sword. The AOS, the axis of symmetry. X equals, it's a vertical line that slices and dices that parabola right in half. Hit it. X equals -2. Let me draw the axis of symmetry. It's a vertical line that slices a parabola right in half. I'm going to draw it as a dotted line, just so I know that's not part of the parabola. It's just a line that slices it. Look at x equals -2. Look at, boom. There's your axis of symmetry. Slices it right in half. Which really means the axis of symmetry is actually the x-coordinate of the vertex, the -b/2a. It's always going to go to the vertex. So on your assignment 17, I believe, when they ask what's the axis of symmetry, whatever the x-coordinate of the vertex is, that's what the line is. The line's going to go right through it. There's your vertex. The line goes through the vertex. So the equation is x equals -2 for the axis of symmetry. So there's that's a review of like the past 2 weeks here, you guys, just in one problem. Okay? I'm going to play this day in history. Keep that same graph paper out for, actually, a new piece of paper out for notes.